Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this curly crochet wig that I made for myself. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using this Temptation Curl 8 inches hair, and this color is SM1B/BG. It comes 3 in a pack, just the way I'm showing you right there, and I used about 1.5 packs of this hair, guys. This is the way it comes, and it has like 24 pieces in it. It does have a loop on the top right there, guys, but for me, I actually separated the hair and then I was placing one at a time. So I'm using this Wig Cap wig knit that I got from my local beauty supply. It was $1.99. And then I'm also using this crochet needle that I got from Amazon. I'm going to put everything in the description below. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So I just place the needle into like 2 of the holes. And then I take the crochet hair. I'm just going to loop it on, then lock it, and then pull it out. So I don't pull it out all the way through. I just pull it out enough for the crochet to go through it. Okay, so I'm tying it 2 times because I want it to be as secure as possible because I'm trying to keep this wig for a long time, sis. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys again. You know, I pulled it in into 2 or 3 of the boxes or the holes right there, and then I'm going to pull it out. You know, I'm going to secure the hair twice. So I'm securing the hair twice because I don't want it to unravel when I'm done, you guys. It's very easy, guys. Oh my gosh, this took me about 1.5 hours to do, guys. Like sometimes you just want some style that you just want to rock real quick and you're out the door. So sis, let me tell you, this is the hairstyle that you want to do, and you can do any type of crochet with this style, sis. I'm just letting you know. I'm just giving you the tea. This is very easy to do. Anybody can achieve this. Just get you a wig cap, you know, and follow my steps. This is a very perfect hairstyle that you guys can rock, especially, you know, in spring. You know, you want to try some colors out. You can do a lot of these crochet wigs, guys. Okay, so I love this hair. This hair is very nice and soft. You know, I wanted something that looks more natural, like you know, like a more of a 4B kind of hairstyle. Is the easy way. You don't have to break the bank. Sometimes you just don't want to do that crochet hair. Like sometimes you just want to rock that hairstyle on that day and you don't want to repeat it. And you know your sis, I'm trying to save you some money. And guys, when I tell you anybody can do this, like you can do this, like you can use any type of hair that you want, but I just wanted to use this little curls, you know. I wanted it to be like more of a 4B kind of hairstyle, you know, with just some color in it. And I am loving this. So when I get to the front right there, guys, I just folded the hair in half. I just cut it in half because I wanted it to start layering now. So in the front, I'm just gonna cut it in half. I want to do like some bangs in the front. So I just did like a couple lines, about 3 lines in the front was folded. So, you know, the same concept. I place the needle in, I take the crochet hair, I pull it out, I tie it twice. And that's it, because this, when you tie it twice, you can tie it once, but you know what, sometimes it can come undone. I always tie it twice, guys, because I want it to be as secure as possible. And while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, sis, because this channel is getting juicy. I get to the top right there, I start going in a round form. That way it's nice and closed on the top, guys. I'm not cutting the hair anymore, right guys? So I'm placing it exactly like I was doing in the back. And the good thing about this is as you go along, as you go up, you know, it's like it's layering by itself. You know, you just do this 8 inches of the whole head and it just starts layering. And oh my gosh, when I tell you the top part just looks so natural. Gonna play with it with my fingers, you know, try to make it as natural as possible. And oh my gosh, when I tell you it is nice and full, okay, because I love me some full hair, guys, but you don't have to make it this thick. If you want, you can just use like 1 pack, you know, it's gonna be enough. It won't be as thick as mine, but you know, your sis is extra or whatever, okay. As you guys can see in the front, I didn't have to do much because as I told you guys, I cut it in half as I was placing it in because I just wanted it to have like some layers to it. So that's what I'm doing right there. I'm just cutting it, you know, shaping the face as I'm going down, you know, just layering a little bit. Just make sure, you know, you don't cut too much. So do it in sections. That way you don't have to be like, oops, oh gosh, what did I just do? You know me, I cannot rock anything without my shine. You know, let me tell you this about this Garnier, guys. This Garnier shine is everything. Okay? And baby, when I tell you, this wig came all the way through. So proud of how this wig came through, guys. Let me know if you guys are feeling this color on me, because you know your girl is always doing some black or whatever, but this color, sis, I'm telling you. And look how thick and full this wig is, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so in love. I am in love. Yes, sister. Who would know that this wig was made by me, huh? Who would know? And you know what? People be like, oh my gosh, where'd you get your wig? I'll be like, I made it. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. So if I can do it, guys, you can do it too. Like seriously, this is very easy. You can do it, guys. And look at the toe part like there. It looks very natural, guys. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this wig. I'm gonna be rocking this wig like on a regular, like period. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm so excited. We are at 73K. Are you kidding me? And 100K is very close, guys. I know you guys can subscribe to my channel and learn more because sis, I'm just getting started. Okay, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for you know, rocking with me. You guys rock. I am nothing without you guys. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the real MVPs. Okay, and don't forget to share this with your best friend, sister, cousin. We gotta help each other out. Sharing is caring, right? Anyway, thank you, sis. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.